Good afternoon, everyone. Today's Thursday, and I'm Linda at Linda's Loft, and I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you a few new things. So if you need last-minute stuff for Easter or Mother's Day, that's coming up too. We have a lot of cute little gifts here, and I'm just going to go over a few. And I hung up a few things on the wall, so I'm going to show you those too. Okay, let me turn this around. All right. So I just got this picture in. It's a wood picture. It's slatted. And it says, "We shine together like the moon and the stars." Isn't that so cute? Oh, hi, Cindy. And then I hung this over here. There we go. And then here's my blue and green wall. And I just got these white. These are ceramic. They're very heavy, and they're really pretty. And they're kind of like I don't know if they're like I don't know what kind of flower is that. They almost look like a lily pad, but they're white. And then I hung some over on this side here. And then I got more of this company in, the Rendell. And I absolutely love this stuff. I showed you guys the other day the thank you cards that come 8 in a pack. There's the cow one and the sheep one. It's a little bunny, baby cow, a turtle, butterfly, hummingbird. And then we have these grocery shopping lists, and these go on the back of your refrigerator, so you can hang them up there. And these little jotter pads, they're called jotter pads, and they have all different kinds of little things on them. And then some little journals, and these journals are 12. So I just wanted to hop on here and show you a few things. Gardening tools. And these little herb trays.